Hey guys, it is Malachi underscore boss talk back with another video. In today's video, we are gonna play some Roblox. It's been a long time since we played Roblox. So let's get into it. I will be back to you guys when we're in the game. Hey guys, it is Malachi underscore boss talk back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna do something very cool. So we're gonna play a game, and I'll be with you guys once we are in the game. So see you there. Hey guys, it is Malachi underscore boss talk back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna play build a boat to find some treasure. Let's put it up, down, up, sideways, right here. We have to get rid of this thing. There we go. Nobody's on our team because it's very early. I can hear the birds chirping. We're gonna start off with the most easiest boat that you can make in this boat landscape. It's called the go-kart boat. Bleh. I know that's not the best boat, but just don't judge it. Cut. Or this is how you build it if you guys want to build it. This is how you're gonna build it. So you want to go with this. Don't worry, guys. I have 6 pieces. Don't chill your balls. Chill your balls, guys. Chill your balls, guys. Just chill your balls, guys. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the Simpy go-kart. Guys, this is the go-kart. We just have to fill in the inside. Oh yeah, fill it in with peanut butter. We're gonna do a glitch. Oh my god. Okay, and one more for good luck. There we go. See, it fits. Okay, this is our go-kart. Oh, we have one more, so we can actually put it as a go-kart. We're gonna be protect. Should we just put this in front of us? Guys, we're just gonna put this in front of us. Ooh, I wanna join their team. I may join their team. I may commit suicide. I need to commit suicide. I get all my blocks back. Or do I? Yay! Oh my god, that's mine. That's mine. Oh. Hi, dude. We're ready. We're ready to sail. Connect yours to mine. Connect yours to mine, bruh. We need to add the seed, guys. The seed is the most important thing of the Happy Meal breakfast. Because if you don't, oh, we should put these, guys. Should we? I think we should put these steel things. They look cool. And then There's the chair. The chair is the most important part. It's my chair. Thank you. Are you ready? Oh, amazing glory. Are you ready? Up he left. I'm mad, guys. I say that. Alright, let's go. Probably not gonna survive because it's too. Let's see it. Oh, we could. Yes! Yes, let's get it, guys. Guys, it tipped over, but we're still alive, look. Yo, we're so close. Yo, if this falls off, we're dead. I just understand that if this falls out, we're dead. Like, we're dead meat, guys. Oh my god. It's like a swordfish. Guys, it's like a swordfish. Oh my god. Oh no, we're dead. Oh! It just flipped back up. Oh, we're dead. Oh no, we're not. That just gave us good luck. Okay, we only have this mini go-kart, which we're probably gonna fail on. Yeah, we're not gonna hit it. Yep. There we go. See, when the cannons come, we can't. Yep, we're done. We're done. Yep. You may join your team. Yes, he may. He may, bro. We need some help, bro. Oh, darn it, we're dead. Yo, if that falls over, we're dead. We're dead, dude. We should have went in the middle. Oh my god. Our surfish is gone. Dude, we're dead when the cannons come. Nope. I'm just standing on the darn thing. Oh my god. That was hilarious. Boy! We ain't gonna survive, but okay. Let's put this. I love you, big bro. She's right. Okay. Wait, hold on. Yo, I'm gonna put the swordfish. Yes, let's get it. Let's get it now. Let's go. Yes. Yo! Oh my god. Oh my god, we're dead. Boy, she jumped off. Are you kidding me? I'll just jump off, man. See, we're dead. I'm building my own boat. Guys, so if it tips, boy, why is she following me? She's a stalker, guys. She's a stalker. Yo! Get out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Leave. Doing the jogging competition. I'm jogging. I just need. You made her leave. That's how you make people. Oh, she just joined a different team. Get out, stop. We're gonna build our go-kart boat that we've been waiting for to build. First, we're gonna start off with this, a square. No, we messed up. There we go. Guys, we're gonna start off with square. It's gonna be a little tiny boat, but who cares? A little too big, bro. Guys, we got a ton of blocks. We can like fit like. We have maximum 0. Okay, we need to make the top layer. Because guys, if we tip, the top layer is going to help us. But some of us are going to tip. I'm pretty sure that we're all going to die. Guys, did you hear about the a hurricane? If you live in Texas or Puerto Rico, you're going to die. So I'd rather you take that. Thank you. Okay, guys. We have a full army helicopter. And guys, we're gonna put these just in case. I mean, these are not that good, but who cares? Okay, we're ready to sail. Yeah, we're definitely ready. Come on, let's go! I mean, this is a boat. That's clear. Drink some Blacksy Cola. Up. Well, our wooden thing got hit.